OSHA requires employers to keep records of work-related injuries and illnesses. The record-keeping rule is for data collection only, and does not determine fault. All businesses with more than 10 employees must keep these records. All employees and workers supervised by the company are covered. An injury or illness must be recorded when it is work-related. It is a new case. It meets the record-keeping criteria. The OSHA 300 form is the company log of injuries and illnesses. The OSHA 301 incident form must be completed within 7 days. The OSHA 300A summary form must be posted from February 1st through April 30th. Report all work-related injuries and illnesses to a supervisor.